Ladies and gentlemen, meet the ultra-slim 12.8 volts to 230Ah for our lithium battery, your new best friend for off-grid adventures. We divide our presentation into 4 sections. Part 1: Introduction. Imagine a battery so slim it could fit in your pocket. Well, almost. At just 60 millimeters thick, this 230Ah here our powerhouse is 65% lighter than lead-acid batteries. Weighing only 22 kilograms, it's perfect for behind-seat installations, maximizing space for your gear. Offers for 1,000+ cycles at 80% odd, with a usable capacity of 2,940 watt-hours, ensuring long-lasting performance. Operational from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius, it maintains performance in extreme temperatures. Part 2: Applications. Need reliable power for your expedition truck, marine vessel, or remote work site? This battery has got you. It's also perfect for off-grid homes, emergency backup, RVs, e-scooters, and even portable power stations. It's like a Swiss Army knife of batteries. Part 3: Advantages. With 150A continuous discharge, this battery can power your fridge, lights, and even your coffee maker. Dual monitoring via Bluetooth and CANbus keeps you in the loop. Plus, it's built to last with marine-grade construction and a wide temperature range. Low maintenance, eco-friendly, and versatile. Part 4: Conclusion. Upgrade today and experience the convenience, reliability, and sustainability of LiFePO4 technology. Don't just power your adventures, supercharge them.